This is the elevator at the Courtyard by Marriott, Indianapolis South. Look at this. What the heck is this? All right, this is the Courtyard by Marriott, Indianapolis South, if I didn't get that already. But look at this. This is one of those MTs that has these bizarre replacement fixtures. I already forgot the name of them. Bro, this is weird. Wow, I've never seen these replacements before. Cab looks pretty nice. The ceiling looks like it's kind of falling apart though. There's the certificate. I can't get a good shot of the permit number though. It's got a phone. This is weird. What's the interlock say? Okay, that interlock looks like it was replaced. That said 2007, so that's definitely a replacement. And it just nudged. But this is just bizarre. I have never seen something like this before. Takes a minute to level. Going up?
Yes, please.
Which floor?
2.
You have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
I'll have to look up the name of these fixtures when I get home, but this is just weird. This is probably the most bizarre elevator I've seen on the south side, at least. Like, this is just weird. It definitely was an MT, but the buttons were replaced with the... Yeah, I don't even remember the name of these fixtures. Okay, it ends in like 639. I'll have to look that up when I get home. But anyways, here we are at 1. That's it.